Have you ever wanted to make your Canva designs look more professional and 3D, like your image is actually popping off the screen? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a realistic drop shadow to a Canva frame, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. First, choose or create a design in Canva and insert a frame from the Elements tab. You can pick any shape, circle, rectangle, phone mockup, whatever fits your project best. Now, drag and drop your image into the frame. Once it looks the way you want, we'll move to the fun part, adding that shadow effect. Here's a trick. Canva doesn't let you apply shadows directly to frames, but there's a simple workaround. Download your design as a PNG file with a transparent background. To do that, click Share, choose Download, set the file type to PNG, and make sure transparent background is turned on. Next, re-upload that same PNG back into Canva. Once it's uploaded, add it to your design like a normal image. Now select the image, click on Edit Photo, and open the Shadows section. Choose Drop, and there it is. You'll instantly see the depth appear. From here, play with the settings to make it your own. You can adjust the blur for softness, angle to decide where the light hits, distance for how far the shadow sits, and even the color and intensity to match your design style. And just like that, you've turned a flat image into a modern, eye-catching 3D effect that makes your design stand out anywhere, whether it's for social media, presentations, or thumbnails. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it out right after watching and experiment with different shadow tones and angles. You'll be surprised how much depth a simple drop shadow can add. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.